So how do you know you need a rodent service? And in this case, how do you know when you need an attic restoration and cleanup? Right here. The insulation is almost gone. It is so severely depressed from the urine and droppings. All those little black marks you see are rat droppings. Look how thick the droppings are. This insulation is soiled and damaged and needs to be out of here. Look at even the rub marks. You can see the black, those rats running up the wood here, indicating so much rat activity and a stout in harborage. Oh man. This attic definitely needs cleaned up, sanitized, and new insulation put in.